Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kazaru, and in today's Vlogmas we are going to play about with the BH Cosmetics Miss Claus The Litless palette. And I thought it would be cool if we did a really simple but still beautiful silvery look using these shades down here at the bottom. So yeah, let's get straight on with that. So the first one I'm going to do is like my transition shade up into the crease. I think we're going to put in, which one do I do? Is it like a grey shade in here? So I think we're going to use Santa's Boot, which is like a shimmery sort of metallic. So let's see if that works. I'm just going to pop that down here at the bottom. I think with Vlogmas, I think with Vlogmas, are we day 3 Vlogmas? Forgetting, don't know, I'm losing track. But yeah, it's getting closer and closer. Okay, taking my little brush pad and brush, and I'm dipping into Santa's Boot, this one's called. Looks like this. It's quite a lot. Let's go for it. Nothing on my face. Oh, wait a minute. No, I just forgot to do. We forgot to prime our eyelids. I'm going to take the Revolution Ultimate Eye Base in the shade Light. I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelids. Looks like this. It's new to me. Okay, last time I squirted a bit out and then more came out of the tube. Okay, no, it is happening. Bit annoying, look, just that. But it's fine. Okay, and I'm just going to go bit there. Bit there. I got the eyelids, it goes up. Sorry, it looks scary then. I was gonna buff that in. Okay, I'm back. I just patted that in. As you can see, quite white looking now. But that's fine, that's what we want. I'm gonna do this eye. I'm gonna start up here with that dark shade, which is called Santa's Boot, I believe. Santa's Boot, yeah. I'm just gonna pack that pretty much all over that bit of the eyelid. Going for quite a like a smouldery, smoky eye look. The shade's quite nice. So it's a matte with it's like silver particles in it. Going in again, building that up a bit more, placing it to the outer corner and then buffing it in towards the middle. Windscreen wiper motion, and then I like to just do circular motions just to get rid of this line we have here. If you just keep going forward and back, you're just going to create a bigger white line. And if you want to get rid of that line, just do little circular motions. Like so. And already I think that looks really cool. Let's add a bit more. It's interesting. It's got like a shifty green as well to it. I'm going to add a bit more here. The outer corner. Some fallout. Not too bad though, but I expected I was going to get a bit fallout. Just wiping off and using my brush pad. Swapping over brushes to my smudge brush. Like this. And going back in with the same shade, Santa's Boot. I just want to... Now I'm going to go in with the shade which is called Blackout, which is the black in the pan. I'm going on top here. Just making it darker. And I'm going to take any of the excess of that black underneath the lower lash line. But I'm just going to keep it focused to that outer corner of the eye. I don't want it to be too heavy looking. Okay. And I think I'm happy now. And now I'm going to get my finger and just dampen it a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with diamonds. Let's see what that looks like if we put diamonds. I'm just wetting my finger, makes the eyeshadow stick a bit better. We've done an eye base already, eyeshadow base, You can wet your brush with some setting spray if you want to, or put your finger in a bit of the setting spray and then go in, but I just like to dampen my finger a little bit slightly and then put it on. Take a bit more actually, but you can build it up as we go. And tap it on right into the middle, focus into the middle, and then tap and drag a little bit to that inner corner. Doesn't matter if we get a mess because I haven't got any foundation on, so it's all good. So remember that with this look, do foundation after because it might get a bit messy, but that's really pretty. And that didn't take too long at all. What are we on the clock? It took like 5 minutes. Super, super easy. And it looks like it's taking you longer. And then in a minute we can do eyeliner. You can deepen it up with a black. We could do white. I think I'm going to... Oh, there is a lighter shade, so let's try this. There is a shade in the palette, I'll show you, which is called Frozen. I'm just going to see if we can make it look even brighter if we put Frozen on too. Let's see. Oh yeah. So I'm just going to focus that white of that one just literally right in the centre of the eye. That is stunning. I love that so much already. Oh, this is such a nice palette. Oh. Haven't we played with this one much, like I said to you guys, unless you're new here. It was on my palettes to use up more because I haven't really touched it that much. I'm just going to clean up and then I think I'm going to do... I think I'm going to do a white eyeliner. I'll be back in a sec. And for the inner corner, I'm actually going to take the same with diamond shade just to put a bit in the corner. Just like that. Boom. And then I'm going to do a bit of eyeliner. I'm not sure I'm going to do black or white yet. We'll see. Okay, I'm back. I decided to finish off with black. And this is what it looks like at the moment without any mascara. And I think it looks really cool, really smoked out. I love, it's just a really nice, fun, simple, but yet Christmassy party look. And it'll go with any skin tone and any colour outfit you choose to put on. I really like it. Okay, next look we're going to do with this palette is, I think because we've done one side silver, we should just do like, you know, a gold look. Because we have a lovely gold row to play with. So I think in the crease, I'm going to start off with... Good as Gold. Let's try and do that one up in the crease and see what that looks like. I'm just putting that gold shade all over the eye. It's really pretty. I know it's a matte shimmer, but it's actually working really well. And then to deepen it up, I'm going to go with the shade Ritzy, just on the outer corner. I'm going to go over most of the lid with the Spilled Cocoa shade. I'm still using my smudge brush. And then I'm going to damp my finger and we're going to go in with the gold shade. And we're going to go in the middle with Ring on it. Like all over most of the bit of this bit of the lid. And then I'm going to go in the middle with Pop Bottles, like in the centre of the lid. Ooh, that's the ring on it. That looks really pretty. So nice. And then in the centre I'm going to do Pop Bottles. Looks so nice. I'm just going to put it, boom, right in the middle. That looks so nice. And this is what it looks like at the moment without any eyeliner. I think this one looks really nice. I've actually got, it's fairly old now, but hey ho, let's try. It's BH Cosmetics and it's the Power Pencil and it's in the shade Shimmer Gold. So I'm going to put that along my waterline. I can't do it because I haven't got anything to... I need both hands. I can't do it with one hand and then hold my mirror. No, I need to come back. 1 minute, guys. There you go. That actually looks really nice. The eyeliner pencil is actually really, really nice. I bought this a while ago. It's really creamy. Hang on, I'm just going to turn off the side light. It's really nice and creamy. But yeah, that's what the eye looks like at the moment. Where's my lid gone for this? It's actually really nice, the BH one, that one. No irritation or anything, and it just looks really, I like it's a bit bright that side, isn't it? Shiny. So next, what else do we need to do? Oh, inner corner. For the inner corner, I think we could do, I think I'm just going to put the pop bottles one, this one, in the inner corner. That'll look nice, won't it? And now I'm just going to finish off with some mascara. I've got this new e.l.f. mascara. It's clear. One side is for brows and the other side is for your eyelashes. So I wanted to try it out because sometimes I don't always want to have like a heavy black mascara. And if you're like that too, then you might want to check out this one. It's actually quite good. So yeah, so let's try and put this one on. This is the lash side. Let's open it up. Got eyelash stuck to it. Go put that down. And then let you see what it looks like. Just a nice clear on. Has some volume. Oops. So you can see it like lifts them a bit. Slightly. It's pretty good though for a clear, I think. And also you can put on your fake eyelashes as well if you want to. I'm just going to finish off the other side now. And eye look looks like this. It's the gold side. Silver side. Gold side. It's my son coughing. Poor little thing. It's got a cough again. Both sides. Like a sec. For lips, I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Parley because I think it will just go with both looks and it's like a really nice light brown. Just like that. And these are so much more creamier and like more like an oil to me than the NYX Butter oil that I have. Where's it gone? Which is, I've lost it. 1 minute. This is, I find this really sticky. These NYX Butter glosses are really smooth and not sticky. They literally feel more like an oil. The ingredient should have gone into this one for this. I don't know, just so much nicer. Anyway, so this is the finished. Okay, I'm back, I'm finished. Which side do you like the best? Do you like the silvery, smoke side, or do you like the gold side? I think they both look really nice. I like both of them. If I was to go out for a party look, I think I might be more inclined to pick this side. But this side, maybe during the day, party Christmas look, meeting some friends, having a little bite out or something maybe. And then this one, so this one daytime, like Christmas party look, and then this one nighttime Christmas party look. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope these two looks were helpful for you throughout the Christmas holidays. And please give me a big fat juicy thumbs up if you haven't already. And if you're new here, why not subscribe for more makeup and more Vlogmas Christmas tutorials. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and remember, makeup should be fun. And don't take it too seriously, and remember to take care of yourselves. Okay, bye guys.